Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Thakure. I am from Asansol, West Bengal. I completed my bachelor degree from NSHM Knowledge Campus, Durgapur, and then I got a news for incubation in Q Spider, J Spider, Kolkata. So I cracked this and I come to in Q Spider, J Spider, Kolkata like 2024 in June I think, and in I come to in Q Spider, J Spider, Kolkata. So I learned many things. First of all, thank you to SKR sir and Sagar sir for learning the manual testing, and the Sachin sir and Vishwanath sir teaching very well and understanding. I learned many things which is not clear in my education session. So and I learned many things, and so thank you for Q Spider J Kolkata. And currently I this is all doing for this Q Spider J Kolkata, and especially thanks to SKR sir and trainers and counselors and HR ma'ams. All of you, thank yous.